I'm Dr. Fareeha Afreen. I've completed my MD in Internal Medicine. I gave my Part 1 of MRCP in Jan 2023 and I gave my Part 2 in Feb 2024. I started my preparation for Part 2 around 3 months before the exam. I contacted Dr. Ahad about how to go ahead with my preparation as I was really not sure where to start from. So he then guided me in the right direction by making me enroll for the PASTEST Pearl course and the MADBOX series. So initially I started watching the past papers or solved videos daily, around 1 to 2 videos per day. And then I started watching Dr. Ahad's past medicine Pearl videos subject wise and simultaneously solving past test questions of the same topics, which gave me confidence as I could answer most of the questions after doing his notes. And I only did past test question bank since I did not have much time. However, I feel doing past medicine questions too make you more confident during exam. After finishing with all the Pearl notes and solving the question bank, I had 1 month left, and that's when I did the MADBOX series, and which is very extremely important, and it's amazing as it covers all the high yielding topics in a very concise manner. And then I started with revision in the last month, going through all the Pearl notes PDF once again. Solving the RCP sample paper is very important as it gives you an idea of all the important topics for the exam, and also it makes you familiarized with the pattern of the real exam. So I first watched solved RCP sample paper video which was done by Dr. Ahad in the beginning of my preparation, and then I solved it on my own just 2 weeks before the exam. I feel watching the RCP sample paper videos and past papers videos is as important as solving the question bank, because Dr. Ahad has explained really well how we can identify the key points in the question and teaches us the art of how we can exclude each wrong option and select the right answer. He revises particular topics from his notes, thereby reinforcing the important points, which makes it easier for us to remember. And then in the last 3 days, I only revised the MADBOX series, and Alhamdulillah, I cleared my exam. So my main advice would be, don't go around collecting and going through a lot of materials and not having enough time to finish it. Rather, stick on to one good source of information. Like for me, it was Dr. Ahad's notes, which includes all important pointers of theory and also radiological images, ECGs, their explanation, and the pacemaker class, which cleared a lot of my doubts. So keep revising the notes again and again until all the points are on your fingertips, and you will realize how helpful it is once you start solving most of the questions in the question bank. Therefore, I highly recommend Dr. Ahad's classes, which are beneficial and interactive, and personally he is very patient, answering every doubt you have, and also very kind and motivating. And I wish him all the best and hope he's successful in helping more students in their journey of MRCP exam preparation. Thank you.